Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick beginner review on how you can easily use Mango. So to get started with the beginner guide on how you can easily use Mango. So Mango is an easy to use SEO tools made up of 5 tools like KW Finder, SERP Checker, SERP Watcher, and Lake Manual together with Site Profiler. So to get started, beginner can start by using KW Finder to search for low competition keywords with a decent traffic. Then use the SERP checkout to analyze the competitors on the first page of Google and set what you are up to against. Then once your keywords are chosen, add them to your SERP watcher to track daily ranking and performance over time. You can also explore blank link with a link miner to find opportunity to improve your site authority and use the site profile to analyze your competitor's domain metric. Mango is visually simple, affordable, and ideal for solo creators or small teams. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.